Alright, I'm back, and it's not mounted, but it's sitting there because I figured out the brackets. And I'd like to think that I knew exactly, all according to plan. This is exactly what I thought it was going to be. Because I researched the ever-living shit out of this project with little sleep included. And yeah, I just didn't know that these things were going to replace the original brackets, because I'm a dumbass. Right? Yes, you're a goddamn idiot. Thank you, bracket. So here's the deal. This is my Alpha Cool. What is this business? Literally just has the name, actually. I already looked on the box. Oh, maybe, hey. What do we got? Son of a bitch. That's what it is, right? I like to speak German, but I don't yet. There we go. I did not know that I would need to sort of hot manage all aspects of every component of these brackets. Oh, I'm in the light. So these radial brackets on the top and bottom, if I can do this one-handed, gotta turn the coffee down, guys. Getting that coffee reheated. Was about to set the kitchen on fire. Probably not the best way to go about building the computer. I did not know that this is two pieces, right? The aftermarket spacer. But this radial bracket that comes with the res and pump, there are two of them. Ultimately, you have a choice. You can either mount it like this or like this. And this width right here, I don't know if you can see it, this right here, this centimeter or so, really makes a difference when you're trying to stretch from, say, here to here. And you can also, this aftermarket bracket is held in with 2 screws and 2 nuts on each. The pump actually came with a total of 4 of these, so don't lose them if you're planning on using these aftermarket brackets. In any case, you can flip the orientation of this as well before screwing it on. You can see here that I'm trying to maximize the reach up this way, but I suppose I could even screw it on upside down, question mark, maybe, I have no idea. And I can maximize the reach down, so I could go, if I was stuck somewhere around here, I want to mount it like that, I would want to mount it like that, so I could reach these mounting points. In any case, that was the ticket, with some combination between the 2 of these radial brackets, some combination of the orientation of these upside down. All the parts can go whatever way you want. Finally, I made a proper stretch between a multiple of 120. So now I'm going to screw this stuff in and mount it, stand this bitch up, see what it looks like. Alright, so it's not properly mounted yet, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what I'm working with. Obviously, the screws are going to be trimmed down. Cut them off with a hacksaw, and generally, I just wanted to show you what I was talking about with these brackets. One up, one up top, and one down on the bottom. Sorry guys, the light's really not good around here. I think I might be able to fix that. Maybe just a tiny bit. Yeah, so basically with this rotary mount pointing down and this aftermarket mount pointing down, I can hit both of these if I want, both of these screw points on both sides. Oops, just moved it. And with this rotary mounting point facing up, and this aftermarket bracket facing up, I may be able to hit both points on this side too, on both sides with screws. So it might be better to flip this guy pointing down. I really have no idea. Anyway, that's what I'm messing with right now. Alright, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Check that out. The screws are super ugly, but they won't be there forever. And I'm going to paint them black probably. But the main thing is that the mounting works. So despite the awkward dimensions of the pump, base, and reservoir, with these brackets, replacing the stock brackets, we're able to hit screw points in increments of 120 and I guess 20, whatever the heck those increments are. Without these, it would not have mounted on any combination in these 2 points. So with the stock, obviously, you've got about 5 millimeters of breathing room. Well, not even, it's the size of the hole. So you're really limited on what you can mount this to. Because these rotary rings, brackets, do not move up or down. You're stuck with this span when you're trying to mount. I have not seen many mounted like this, and the ones I have are not mounted well, so this is solid just in its current test state. You can see the weight of the pump since these aren't screwed all the way in. This is not actually keeping this up where it should be, probably. I think it was like central. It doesn't matter. It's working. I'm pumped. Get it? Pumped. So, I don't know if you can see, but the dimension on the grill you can kind of see through there. There might be contact between the bracket and the fan grills. There is between the nuts over there. See if there's any chance of getting this shot. Of course not. Maybe you can see. They're just touching. I don't know if these brackets are going to deform these when I screw this all the way down. Because in truth, I thought these aftermarket brackets actually raised a bit more forward as a spacer away from that stuff. And I did not know how big this raised area would be. It was a bit taller than I had expected. These were like a grand total of like $6. Cooler guys, they rock, these fan grills. So if I deform them, I don't care. And now the real test. And I'm super damn excited about the real spacing test. is to put one of these pegs on to get a sense where the plexiglass is going to go and see if we clear the pump and the reservoir. So, moment of truth.